From Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. As you can see, we're working on a roof with a fairly big size lift here. This is a medical centre in the heart of Melbourne, and we're cleaning the tiles. The tiles are so old that we can't actually step on them, hence us using a lift. Obviously we've got all the safety stuff in place to be able to do this. Just show you here, I mean it's pretty bad. As you can see, you can hardly see the colour of the tile. We're cleaning all of this, and then on the back side as well. You can see we're just starting here.